Hi guys, my name is Miracle and today I'm going to be reviewing the Fancy Fix whiteboard sticker. This product is amazing just in lieu of a regular clunky metal and plastic whiteboard. That's because this product is simply just a roll of whiteboard really, and you can just cut it out and stick it to a wall, to a surface, and you only need to take as much as you need. Whereas a whiteboard can be really annoying to maintain and handle. But it did come in a plastic wrap, and it also comes with this tab of instructions, which is really helpful if you don't quite know how to install it. It also says that you need a partner for this installation, but I'm on my own right now, so I'm going to try and manage. Measure the wall, measure like the distance that you want the whiteboard to cover, and then you will cut out how much whiteboard you need. So here we go. I'm going to show you how to install the Fancy Fix whiteboard sticker. Here I have the sticker that I've cut out already. This is about 70 centimeters across, and it's like a meter high, sort of. I don't have measuring tape, but I'm just gonna really improvise with it. So first of all, what I need to do is peel off the backing sticker, and the reason this is so difficult and why it's best to have a partner is because it's rolled up, so once you cut it out it's still got that kind of rolly thing, but I'm still going to try. So you need to just gradually peel it off and stick it as you go. Before you stick the whiteboard on, you need to get a damp rag and just wipe the surface like that you're using clean, just so that there's no excess dirt or anything. I'll use the same wet rag just to kind of go over that and make sure that everything's stuck down, and just to take out any air bubbles that might have collected, but I haven't got too many. So seamlessly really, if you're wiping it off with a rag, it just takes off the product perfectly really. If I were to rate this product, I would give it 10 out of 10. Whilst it was fiddly to do by yourself, they did recommend that you had another person. In fact, they didn't even recommend, they just said the other person. So they did tell me, and whoever else has got the product, that you need a second person to help you, and that's best. But even by myself, whilst it's wonky, sort of, it's still pretty easy to do, and it's less hassle than buying clunky whiteboards. And the fact is, I came here with this product in my hand, and no problems. If you had a regular whiteboard, you would have to have a car or a taxi, or or a van even, to transport the whiteboard. But with this whiteboard, there's none of that transport issues. So I think this is really a great product overall, and I hope that I've convinced you to buy it. Check out the rest of Fancy Fix's products on Amazon. Just search Fancy Fix, and if you want this product, just search Fancy Fix whiteboard sticker.